That was last week, Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Tuesday. When we were busy with the photo album here prior to the January Capital.
Bekuvikele idlule ngolesibili ngithi ngale nkathi leso sisebenza ke noma ke siphuma ke i-album lesithombe.
Not so?
Kunjani?
Yebo.
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you. And we're still busy with photo number 47, proceeding from there. Page 47.
Page 47.
Yes.
Sigcine lapha ke.
The photo that is on page 47 of exhibit S.
Sigcine laphana ke sakhuluma ke ngodaba ke lesithombe silapha ekhasi number 47 ku exhibit S.
Thank you. Now,
Yabo.
the information that is stayed put on record with regard to the photo that we're busy with, just a bit of a recap, is that this photo was taken at 15:30:31 on the 26th of October 2014.
Isithombe lesi ke kuthiwa ke sathethwa ke mhla ka ngesikhathi 15:30:31 usuku kumhla ka 26 October ngo 2014.
Now we have and you agreed with that and even specifically mentioned the place where this photo was taken and so.
Futhi ke nawe ke uyavuna naloko futhi wase uqhubela phambili usho nokuthi ithombe lesi ke sathethulwa ukuthi kunjani?
Yebo.
Yes, that is correct.
By the way, where did you say this photo was taken?
Uthi sithethulwa ukuthi ithombe lesi
Vosloorus.
Vosloorus.
Yes, specifically the name of the area.
Indawo
You said a certain name.
khona indawo eyakhuluma ngayo uthi indawo naphi eVosloorus
Elokishini siselisedi thina.
in the township at Lisedi
Yes.
township.
Yes. And the record of your cell phone, which is evident that was also presented by the state, indeed indicate that around this time, 15:30:31, you were indeed at around Vosloorus. Although it's not specific here, but the time that can be referred to on your cell phone activity, it's 15:19:05 and it's 15:19:32 and 15:41:31. The time within which the photo was taken falls, and your cell phone indicates that you were the cell phone tower that pinched your cell phone activity is indeed 2G Vosloorus SGS3.
Futhi ke naye ke ama record e-cellphone yakho ayakhomba ukuthi ivele ngempela ngaleso sikhathi ke noma ivele efonini ke ikhombisa ukuthi ngesikhathi ke u15:19:31 51 ke umbhoshongo ke owakhona ukubamba i-cellphone yakho ke wona lo wase Vosloorus u-TG.
Do you still remember that?
Usakhumbula konke lokho?
Yebo ngikhumbula.
Yes, I still recall that.
Thank you. Let's get into the picture now. And you said the people who are appearing in the pictures who were there. Let us start with the gentleman who's, or with the person who's wearing a red top.
Konje ke uye wathi ke abantu laba bavela lapha ukuthi ngobani ke masiqale ke ngalomlisa ugqoke ke i-top ke ebomvu.
Cempilo ndawonde.
That's Celimpilo Ndawonde.
Thank you. And the person who's next to him, who's wearing khaki clothes.
Manje ke lo munye ke ome phambi kwakhe ke ubani yena?
Mthobisi Mncube yimi.
That's Mthobisi Mncube myself.
Thank you. And the person who's at the back of the red vehicle, wearing a blue hat and I think a blue top as well. Who that person is?
manje ke lo munye ke umele ngasemuva kwemoto ke sikhuluma ngalo yamlisa ofake ikepisi ke libhulu ke netop engaba blue ubani yena
Maphisa.
that's Maphisa
And Mapisa?
ubani Maphisa
I choose number 4.
it's accused number 4
Thank you. And the person who's partially obscured, but who appears to be wearing some, I don't know what color there is, dark silver. The person who's standing next to you there, immediately next to you on your left-hand side, who's that person?
manje ke lo munye umuntu ke kodwa ongaveli kahle hle kulesa sithombe ke ongathi ogqoke usilver ongathi ke udark ke ubani lo muntu lo mephambi kwakho ubani lo muntu leya
Mansizwana.
it's Mansizwana
Did you say, what did you say his name was?
uye wathi ke uMansizwana isibongo sakhe ubani konje
Khanyile.
Khanyile
Thank you, Mansizwana Kanyile. Thank you. Now you would recall, Mr. Mnube, that when Constable Zungu was testifying in respect of this photo, he said that the person who was standing at the back there, the person that is wearing a blue top and a blue hat, that was accused number 2. Do you still recall that?
manje ke ngizana uncube usakhumbula ke ngale yankathi ke uConstable Zungu naye ekhona la enkantolo ke ebenawo mekhona ethula ubufakazi bakhe uye wathi ke loya muntu ovela kulesa sithombe ke ogqoke ikepisi eliblue futhi naye top ke blue lo muntu ke umangalela wesibili uyakhumbula kusho lokho
Yebo ngamuzwa ngeqamba manga la boxing.
yes I did hear him when he was lying under oath
What would your response to be to what he told to this court, that that person that we just referred to now is accused number 2?
manje wena uthini kuloko kwashiwo uyena Constable Zungu ukuthi loya muntu ovela lapha kulesa sithombe lesiya egqoke ke ublue ke accused number 2 wena uthini kuloko
Into engekho leyo.
that is not true
Umntanzi angimazi nokumazi. Azange futhi ngibe naye la mina.
I don't even know Danzi and I was not with him here.
Lo I choose number 4 Maphisa. Umuntu engangenaye.
The person depicted there is accused number 4, which is Maphisa, somebody that I was with on that day.
Nomuntu futhi othe ena loyana untanzi loya naye angimazi.
Even the person that alleged that the person on the picture is Danzi, I don't even know him.
Ngisho Zungu la, ngisho Constable Zungu la.
I am now referring to Constable Zungu.
Angimazi ngiqala ukumbona la kuleli bhokisi manje ngala icourt ezala.
I don't know him. The first time that I saw him was when he was standing on this dock also here in court.
So lento ayikhulumayo le yani ngamanga ukhohlisa icourt nje.
So what he said is a lie. He's just lying to the court.
Thank you. Now, he further told this court that the person that you're saying is Mansizwane Kanyile. Just to say, he said, I think that is me, referring himself when he told to this court, when he was asking about that person who's partially obscured today, he told to this court that I think that is me, meaning himself, Constable Zungu.
Okay. Uye waqhubeka futhi ke uConstable Zungu ke wathi ke la enkantolo loya muntu lo wena othi ke uma Nsizwane Khanyile uZungu wathi la ecourt uyacabanga ukuthi lo muntu uyena esho yena ukuthi uZungu lo melapha ya
Washo njalo impela mayiqamba manga la icourt.
Yes, that is exactly what he said when he was lying before the court.
Ekhohlisa inkantolo.
Lying before the court.
Do you have any response to that which he told to this court, saying that he thought that was him?
Manje ke khona mhlambe wena ke ongakusho ke uma ngale nkulumo ayishilo ukuthi ethi uZungu uyacabanga ukuthi ke uyena lo yamuntu loya.
Uthi uyacabanga ngoba vele uyazi ukuthi akusuyena. That's why azathi uyacabanga.
That is why that he said to the court that he thought that was him because he knew that he was lying.
Uhlulwe ukukhuluma ukuchaza lezi impahla eqowe lo muntu ukuthi impahla zini wathi khodro leya.
He failed to give a description of the clothes the person was wearing. He said he was wearing a cordro.
Yes.
Esho khodro leya yena eqowe lapha ekhona ayila.
He was referring to a cordro that he was wearing wherever he was, not here.
Ngoba lo muntu lo ugqoka ibrand hood le.
Because this person is wearing a brand hood
Neskipa se lens coat.
and a lens coat t-shirt.
so yena akhuluma ukuthi hayi iskipa somkhona emide ini ikhodro ngezansi ngoba akayazi lento le.
He came and said this person is wearing a corduroy and a long sleeve t-shirt. He was talking something that he does not know, my lord.
Into nje ayizama nje ukuyikhanda ukuthi azokhohlisa ngayo enkantolo.
It's something that he was just trying to fabricate so that he can come and deceive or lie to the court.
Ukuthi mhlambe lokho okukhulunywa kuGininda kuzwakale kangcono.
So that whatever or the things that Gininda has said could sound better.
Thank you. You further recall that in his testimony that you have branded as lies, he also told the court that at some point when you were at the hostel, when he was talking about you, he said you were initially wearing a, what color was that now? Yeah. He said you were wearing a lime green t-shirt, and then you went out, took a shower somewhere or a bath somewhere, and then you changed that t-shirt. You still remember that?
Manje ke usakhumbula ke ngalenkathi ke ekhuluma naye ke uZungu ethi ngalenkathi ulapha ehostel uthi ngalosuku lolo ke ubugqoke iskipa ke silime green ke kodwa ke wasuhamba ke yandawo nathize ke mhlawumbe yokugeza noma uyoshawa wasophinda ubuya soshintshile. Uyakhumbula ngalenkathi esho lokho?
Yebo ngiyakhumbula.
Yes, I still recall that.
Mr. Makaza, do you mind to show us a lime green color there? Lime green color, I'm thinking about something proud. I don't know what color is it. Just do something on the computer and maybe just aside. I just want to get to know what this lime green color is.
Manje uyacela ke umzana umnisi ukuthi ke umhlemakhanya ke lo osenzela ke mabona kude ukuthi isithombe lesi ke azama ukuthi ke mhlambe ke anakhomba lapho kuvela khona ke ulime green lokhunywa ngawo kulesa sithombe ke sisibona lapha kwenkantolo.
No, not in this photo,
Oh, not
but
in
just
this
the general color, lime green.
Okay.
I just want to have
Okay.
an idea of what lime green
Okay.
is. Yes.
Sorry about that. Ucela ukuthi ke umzana makhanya ke asikhombise ke umbala ke lo lime green ngoba ke umeli ufuna ukubona kahle ukuthi lo mbala lo uthi lime green ke umbala onjani kahle hle.
Yeah, look, when we did physical
So
science.
the defense says this gentleman is lying.
Excuse me, my lord.
The evidence of the trial is that line is so-called lime green color was never there, is lying. So you want to see the lies or what?
I just want to have an idea of what color is it, my lord, because I don't want to keep on visualizing it.
No, but the evidence is that Zungu is lying.
Yes.
No person with a lime green color.
Yes, my lord.
So why should we have a look at it? Because the evidence is clear according to your trial. Those are lies. And now you say you want to see those lies.
Manje ke
I'm not saying I want to see those lies, my lords. This for my own understanding, for my own sake, because I don't have a clue what a lime green color is. Maybe I'm just colorblind, my lord, because I'm trying to visualize what a lime color green is. What color is lime green? I'm just trying to close my eyes and I can't visualize it. But technology can show us, my lord.
Umzana umnisi ke uye wacela la phambi kwenkantolo ukuthi ke yena ke insizwa ke lesizwe ke ngomabona kude la enkantolo ke isikhombise ke umbala ke lo ke ongaba lime green ke lapha inkosi enkantolo ithi kodwa ke ufakazi ke noma ke client yakhe yathi ke lokakushilo ke yena ke uConstable Zungu ukuthi kuno lime green kwamanga. So ithi inkosi enkantolo manje wona umnisi ke sofuna ukubona ke lawo manga ke lawo na uthi umnisi ke cha inkosi enkantolo ke ngiyazama ukuthi ke ngizibuza ukuthi ke lo mbala ke o lime green umbala onjani angifuni lokungicabangela nje kodwa ke zona lezi ke eze technology ke zingasiza kakhulu ke zingikhombe ukuthi ke umbala lo lime green ke umbala onjani.
Thank you, Mr. Makaya. Now, Mr. Mngube, I can already see what a lime green color is. It's that color that is depicted there. It's indeed lime green. I don't know what to call it. It's just lime green. Thank you.
Uthi ke uyabonga kakhulu ke umbala ke lo lime green ke uyona lo ovezwa la kubabona kude.
Now, Mr. Mngube, the time that was perfectly captured by the state being the time at which this photo was taken is 15:30:31. That is 3:30 in the afternoon on the 26th of October 2014.
Mnumzane isikhathi ke lesike esike sakhombiswa ke esikhombisa ukuthi isithombe lesakhaza ngaso ke bekuyi 15:30:31 kusho ukuthi 3:30 futhi usuku kumhla ka 26 October ngo2014.
Thank you. Now, according to how I followed the evidence of Mr. Zungu, is that already at this time you should have been wearing or you should have had that lime green t-shirt on.
Manje ke uma ke ngilandele kahle ufakazi bakhe uZungu ngokuya ngenkulumo uZungu ayebeka ke inkulumo yakhe iyakhombisa ukuthi ke ngalesikhathi ke lesekukhulunywa ngaso ke u15:30:31 ubumele ke ubusagqoke yona ke color le lime green.
Now, let us start here. Were you ever wearing that lime green t-shirt on that day?
Masibale la uke wayigqoka ke ngalosuku lolo ke yona le lombala ke lo lime green.
Cha,
No,
azange ngizogqoka.
I did not wear that color.
Did you ever go out to take a shower or bath and changed into something else?
Uke wagqoba khona inkathi lapho ukuhamba khona mhlambe ke uyogeza washintsha ke wagqoka okunye.
Now, according to Zungu, when you were in his company,
Ngale nkathi ubunozungu uyowasuka lapho ubunayo izungu wahamba ke wayogeza washintsha obuya soshintshile.
Number 1 azange benozulu.
Firstly, I was never with Zungu
yes.
Azange futhi kube khona la ngiyogeza khona.
and I did not go anywhere to shower or take a bath.
Ngageza ekseni ngaleli langa.
I took my bath in the morning on that particular day.
Ngashintsha impahla.
I changed my clothes
Ngagqoka lezi impahla ngisigqoke la.
and wore these clothes that are shown here on this picture.
Ijacket ekhaki,
It's a khaki jacket,
ibhluku elikhaki,
a khaki trouser
amateka amnyama.
and black pair of turkeys.
Indlela engangigqoke ngayo ngaleli langa.
That's the way that I was wearing on that particular day.
Akukho lapho ngake ngathi ngishintsha khona ngigqoke enye into.
At no stage I went to change to something else.
Thank you. I hear you mentioning the type of clothes that you were wearing: a khaki top, you are calling it a jacket, also a khaki trouser, and a black canvas shoes.
Uthi ke ngiyabona ke ukhuluma ke ngempahla ubugqokile ke ngalosuku lolo ubugqoke ke itop ke okhaki ibhruku lekhaki futhi namateka amnyama.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
Let's go to photo number 48, please. Thank you. Is this photo a proper reflection, or does it reflect properly the description of the clothes that you were saying you were wearing on this day?
Manje ke lesithombe lesi ke siveza ke ngendlela ubugqoke ngayo ngalolo suku loluya.
Ngoba nje sibonakala kanje usuku lonke kusukela ekseni mangiqeda ukugeza ngagqoka nje ngalendlela le kwazi kwashona ilanga.
As the picture is showing, my lord, how I am dressed, that is how I was dressed the whole day. From the morning, the whole day I was dressed like that.
Thank you. Now, what is your response with regard to these allegations that were made by Constable Zungu, that when he saw you, that when he met you at the Basutini Hostel, you were wearing a lime t-shirt that you subsequently went away after having taken a bath, go and change and put on something different?
Manje ke uthini kuloko okwashiwa ke uyena ke Constable Zungu ethi ke ngalosuku lolo wena ke ubugqoke I lime t-shirt wasuhamba ke uyoshintsha ke wasubuya ke ushintshile.
Amanga lawo into engazange ziyenzeke.
It's a lie, that did not happen.
Icourt izokhumbula mina ngihlala edrobheni eGoli ngalesi sikhathi.
The court will recall at this time I was staying in Johannesburg in town.
Ngigeze edrobheni ngashintsha impahla edrobheni.
I took my bath in town and also changed my clothes.
Ngiyale nje ngiyofika kweSprite ngiyofika kweFosloras ngigqoke lezi impahla.
I'm going to Sprite or Fosloras wearing these clothes that are depicted on the screen.
So ayikho indawo ngangaphinde ngigeze kuyo ngaphandle ukuthi kumele ngiphinde ngiyogeza ejuzi.
There was no other place where I could have taken my bath, only I would have to go back to Johannesburg to take my bath,
Ngoba la ngihlala khona.
because that is where I reside
Impahla zami lapha ekhona.
and that is where my clothes are.
So lapha nginampahla yami ekhona la.
Here, I don't have any clothes.
Impahla zami ekhona la ilezi engigqokile kuphela.
The clothes that I had was the clothes that was on my body that I was wearing on that day.
Thank you.
So lokho khulunywa uZungu kahle kahle ungamanga nje.
So what Zungu is saying is a lie, my lord.
Thank you. Mr. Mnube, is it correct that when I say one, I mean everybody that is looking at that, at picture number 48, which is, actually let's go back to picture number 47, picture on page number 47, just the previous one. Thank you. Is it correct that when one looks at the picture that depicts you on that day at this time of the day, which was 3:30 in the afternoon, you don't seem to be wearing anything beneath that the khaki top there?
Kuyiqiniso namzane ke uma sibuka lesithombe lesi ke esiveza wena ngasisikhathi lesi ke u half past 3 ke ubonakala ke njengomuntu ongagqokanga lutho ngaphansi kwale ya top le khaki uyigqoke ngaphezulu.
Yebo ngigqoke ijacket kuphela nginaskipa nginavest akunalutho.
Yes, I'm just wearing a jacket. I'm not wearing a vest. There's no vest, there's no t-shirt, nothing underneath the jacket.
Thank you. Let's go to picture number 48, picture on page 48. If you can just beam it a little bit. Thank you. Now, this picture again, it's a picture that was also downloaded from your phone, according to the state. That is a picture that was also taken at 3:31 on the 26th of October 2014. In other words, it was taken like almost a minute apart or a minute after the photo that is on page 47.
Uma ke sibheka futhi lesithombe futhi lesibili ke naso sikhombisa ke lempatho sigqokile futhi ke esathathwa ke ngo-15:31 usho ukuthi ke umzuzu owodwa emva kwalesithombe lesilapha kunamba ku-photo number 47.
Yebo.
Now, before we proceed, would you agree with what the state presented to the court about these pictures?
Ngaphambi ukuthi siqhubela phambili ke uyavumelana naloku ke umbuso oye wakunikeza inkantolo mayelana ke nalesithombe lesi,
Owani wesikhathi noma wani.
referring to with the time or what?
Yes, the time and the date at which these photos were taken.
Yes, sikhuluma ngesikhathi futhi nosuku obathi ke lethombe lezi ke zathathwa ngaso.
Yebo ngiyavumelana iqiniso lelo.
Yes, I do agree with the state. It's the truth.
Thank you. Now, you would also see that the clothes that you're wearing accords with what you have explained to this court a bit earlier on, or some minutes ago, on the clothes that you were wearing when you left Joburg in the morning on that day.
Futhi ke uyafana ukuthi ke lethombe lesi ke siveza ke nawe ke ngendlela oyowasha ngakhona ukuthi ke mawusuka ke eGoli ngalosuku lolu ugqoke kanje ngendlela ivela ngayo la isithombeni.
Yebo.
Yes.
Is there any line t-shirt that you were able to identify?
Manje ke kulesithombe lesa wena khona ke iskipa ke siline ongakhona ukusikhomba sona lapha.
Asikho ngigqoke ijacket kuphela.
There's no line t-shirt. I'm just wearing a jacket.
Anginalutho ngaphansi.
I have nothing under.
Thank you.
Nivuliwe iziphi yabonakala akunanex ngaphansi.
And the zip is drawn down. It's clear. There's nothing under that jacket.
Thank you. Now, in contrast to the gentleman who's standing next to you, what can you say about him as to what is he wearing?
Manje ke lomlisa ke lo phambi kwakho la sesithombeni ungathini ngayo ugqokeni yena?
Ugqoke ijacket nevest.
He's wearing a jacket and a vest.
Which are clearly visible, not so?
And kuyabonakala lokho angithi?
Kuyabonakala uzipho wakhe uvuliwe naye.
Yes, it's clearly visible and the zip is drawn down.
Thank you. Yeah, but you did not mention the trouser that he's wearing.
Kodwa ke awuzange ngisho ke ukuthi
We don't assume that he's wearing a trouser. You need to put that on record, lest there's an assumption that he's not wearing a trouser.
awuzange ukhulume ke malana nebruku ke agqokile ke uma ungazange ngisho ke ngacabanga mhlambe ukuthi uthi ke mhlambe ubengagqokanga ibruku ngalolu suku lo ngoba ungazange ngisho nawe ukuthi ke ugqoke ibruku elinjani.
Oh hayi bengisakhuluma ngezinto ayifake ngenhla kuphela. Ugqoke iblue eliblue, ijean eblue.
I was just still talking, my lord, about what he's wearing on his upper body, but the gentleman is wearing a blue jean
Ne kavele blue.
and a blue cavella,
Isicathulo.
Thank you.
which is the shoe.
And that which he's wearing beneath that red top is clearly visible, being a white vest.
And lokho agqoke ngaphansi kwale top leya ke kuyabonakala ngithi kungaba ngathi ivest emhlophe.
Yebo kuyabonakala.
Yes,
Kamile.
it's visible, it's clear.
And that is the reason why it is actually visible is because the front portion of that, the chest portion of that red garment that he's wearing on top, it's wide open. The vest thereof it's wide open, not so.
And ukuthi mhlambe sikwazi ukubona ugqokeni ukuthi ke lapha esifubeni phezulu ke iziphi ivulekile.
Yebo.
Siyakwazi ukubona ugqokeni ngaphansi.
Yebo unjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
That is similar to the top that you're wearing. On the chest portion, your top is also wide open, not so.
Nawe ke thombeni lapho lesithombe lesike lapha esifubeni nawe ke kuvulekile lapha phezulu angithi.
Mawubabuka kahle bavule ngokulingana futhi oziphi.
If you can just look the picture clearly, you can see that they are drawn the same. You know,
Ifuba ihle
level.
ngaphandle.
Both chests are outside.
Thank you. This is the point where Constable Zungu is saying you were wearing, or you should have been having a line t-shirt on.
Yiso ke lesikhathi lesilapho uzungu athi ke ngalesikhathi lesi ke isikhathi lesibomela ukuthi ubonakale ugqoke lesaskipa lesesiline.
Akuqamba manga uzungu.
Azungu is lying.
Uzungu uthema ekhuluma record uthe ufike lapha noma ngingasakhumbuli kahle noma uthe ufike ngo1 noma ngo2.
And he did also mention that he arrived at that place even though I cannot recall the exact time, but he estimated to be around 1 or 2.
Lesithombe lesi esango3.
And this picture was taken around 3.
Kunesithombe sasemazibuko ehostel asango11 ekseni.
And there is another photo that was taken at Mazubuko Hostel around 11 in the morning.
Uzungu ngaleso sikhathi 10 bese emsebenzini ngabo 11.
And he testifies, Zungu, that at that time he was at work.
Usacela ukuthi mhlambe ungivezele sona lapha makungenzeka.
If possible, can that picture be projected?
Let us request our operator to go to photo page number 9. Photo page number 9. Are you referring to this photo?
Yebo ngisho sona noma singabonakali la kodwa ngisho sona.
No,
Yes, even though it's not
we've got
clear.
a clearer version. We've got a clearer version of this photo. He will do it, Mr. Makaya. I trust him. I think in one of the photo albums depicted is on page 175, but that page does not form part of this photo here, of this photo album of this exhibit. But I think Mr. Makaya the other day did it. He took all these blurred dimensions on the photo and it became a very clear photo. Let's check that one. On a page.
Kodwa njengoba sivela naso lesiyana nezange lilodwa lezithombe soyi2 njengoba ivela naso besivelayo sange isikhathi esiyi1 endaweni eyi1 lezayidebhisi zasemazibuko hostel.
Both pictures were taken on the same day, the same time at Mazibuko Hostel, and we were at the stairs.
Yeah, I want the photo number. I don't seem to have that one on my photo album. The one where you guys are standing there. That is from Briar Snacks. But in any event, let us concentrate on this one. What is it that you wanted to say about this photo?
Okwamanje ke masi concentrate kulesi ke ufuna uthini ngale sithombe lesi?
Ngifuna ukuthi lesi sithombe lesi njengoba usibona. Ngigqoke ijacket ekhakhi. Iblue khakhi amateka amnyama.
What I wanted to say is that as you can see this picture, I am wearing, on the picture I'm wearing a khaki jacket, a khaki trouser and black pair of khakis.
Akuna skipa lesi show lo uzungu angani to lime noma yini akuna skipa lapha.
There is no t-shirt that was had to be said by Zungu, the lime t-shirt. There's nothing like that there.
Wayekhohlisela nje inkantolo uzungu ukuthi izwakale kahle into yakhe.
He was just lying before the court so that his story can be heard clearly.
Thank you. So you totally dispute his version that when he saw you, you were wearing a lime t-shirt.
Manje ke uyakuphikisa lokho akushoyo ke uZungu ukuthi ngale nkathi yena ekubona wena ubugqoke ke iskipa lesi slime.
Hayi unamanga azange ngibone azange ngigqoke iskipa slime.
He is lying. He did not see me and I was never wearing a lime t-shirt.
Thank you. He further told this court that that red vehicle on page 47.
Ngane nje babonisa ungaqhubeka.
Can I just say something, Mr. Nisi, before you proceed?
Ngicela ukukhipha kancane kulokho. La
You can
lesi
proceed.
lesi sithombe lesi mawusibuka ama-dread akhona ahleli la ma-dread esifubeni.
On this picture, if you look at this picture very well, you can see that the dreadlocks are long. They are on my chest.
Asuka ngemuva ngobehleli la esifubeni.
As you see them on the chest, they are actually from the back, front chest.
Made engapha ngaphambili.
They are long, even looking at them on the front.
Ukhombisa ukuthi maye ngemuva awest.
That is a clear indication that if they are pegged to the back, they are much longer.
Enalukiwe ukhombisa maye ngalukiwe futhi awest ngobude.
And the dreads are plated, indicative that if they are not plated, they become more longer.
Into yami kude kakhulu kunalama dread lawa le emhlane lama dread.
The dreadlocks go down to the back.
So into yakhulunywa abantu abasendlini nalento le into ezimbili ehlukene.
So the things that were said by those who were in the house and what we see here is two different things.
Nasekhanda lukiwe abonakala.
Even on the head, they are clear that the dreadlocks are plated, my lord.
So lento ekhulunywa abantu abasendlini ayifani nalento le.
So what the people in the house had said and what we see here is not the same thing.
Akusikho lokhu uGilinda kwakumele akwenze lokhu uGilinda wazikhethela ukuzobopha mina.
Gininda just chose to come and arrest me. my lord.
Enebona ngoba lezi ithombe eziye zazwafika nazo ejele mayizongibopha.
And even some of the photos, he came with in prison when he came to arrest me.
So into embile ehlukene zenziwa uGinenda i-light in complexion lento le akusi dark in complexion.
And usoGinenda wenzani sorry? Utheni uGinenda?
Ngithi lesi sithombe si-light in complexion asikho dark in complexion.
And also this picture, my lord, shows a light complexion, not dark complexion.
Ngithi uGinenda wakwenze bona lento ngoba wafika eziphethe ezinye zalezi ithombe ejele mayizongibopha.
Gininda did this intentionally, my lord, because when he came to the prison, he had pictures when he came to arrest me.
So lokhu konke kubugebengu kaGinenda ukuthi azabophe mina.
So all this is Gininda's crime to come and arrest me.
Ebona kahle ukuthi into engahlangani lezi ekhulunywa ezitatimendini zasendlini nalento azakuya ithole ejele.
Seeing very well that these things are not corresponding what he had from the house and what he saw when he came to the prison.
Lokuyilokho nje.
I just wanted to point that out.
So with that, Mr. Mnyobe, are you then saying to this court that when Brigadier Gininda approached you on the 30th of June, is it June or July?
Look, June or July?
It was 30 June 2020.
It was 30 June 2020
Mayizongicharge ngale case.
when he came to charge me
Yes.
for this particular case.
Yes. So he already had pictures of you which are forming part of this photo album.
Uthi ke ngale nkathi eza kuwena mhla ka 30 June 2020 ube nesithombe vele ezakho enazo lezi esikhona kule album esisebenzayo la ecourt.
Yebo ezu3
Yes, there were,
zikhona la. Ayifike iphethe ezu3 angiboni sazona ezipheja. Before izopheja isithombe sika Senzo Meyiwa lapha limele khona.
yes, there were 3 pictures that he was paging through and he showed to me before he could show me the Senzo Meyiwa's picture.
Esi1 ilesi engisemontweni ebomvu kusonke imikhona necempilo nomuntu ovela ngemuva.
Matan, one of the pictures, the one that was depicted before the court where I'm standing with Celu Musa and the other person standing behind the car.
Would that be photo number 47?
Ukhuluma ngesithombe lesi number 47.
Angazi
Mr.
nga
Makai, show us photo,
I'm not
photo 47, please. Page 47.
lesi sithombe lesi.
Yes, I'm referring to this particular photo.
Yes.
Ilapha afika ngibuza khona ukuthi ubani lo ebuza uCempilo Ndawonde logqoka ijacket ebomvu.
When he came, he asked me about the person. He was asking who is that person, referring to Celu Musa Ndawonde.
Cempilo Ndawonde.
Cempilo Ndawonde.
Yabuza mina vele uyangibona ubuza mina ngithi futhi.
And then he also asked if I was the one depicted there. At that moment, he was seeing me, but he still asked if I was the one.
Abuza umuntu lo ngale ngemuva amtshela ngathi Maphisa.
And then he asked the other person who's behind, and I told him that was Mapisa.
Azange akhulume nokukhuluma ngalona wathi nje ayilo vela kubonakala yabona azange wabuza nanokuthi ubani wathi ayike sikhuluma ngalokho bakubonakala ukuthi.
The other person who does not appear clearly, he did not even ask anything about that person because he also said that it is not clear. It does not show who the person is.
Thank you. That was the first photo.
Yiso sokuqala lesi ezanaso.
Oh, it's one of the 3 photos that he showed to you.
Esinye sesithombe azanaso lesi.
Yebo isiqala lesangibonisa sona.
This is the first photo that he showed me.
Okay.
Kuzoba esinye sinabantu abayi4.
And another photo was shown to me which showed depicted 4 people.
Sikhona kulo album.
I'm going to
Also
give you
in the
that
photo
album
album.
so that you can page and show us what photo did he show you again, except this one.
Yes.
What page is that? Down there, on your right hand
46.
side.
46. Palo 46 apha phansi.
Thank
And
you.
the other, the photo is appearing on page 46.
Thank you, Mr. Makanya. Sure.
Phinde kube 32 esi
And the other one is in page 32.
46
46 no 32.
and 32, good. They're my exhibits. Thank you. My lord, I realize that there are no court orderlies here. I just don't know how is the court functioning without court orderlies here, because we'll have to request our operator there to move around to go and take over those exhibits. The court is not properly constituted in the absence of court orderlies, my lord. I don't know. We are not dominus litis. That's not our function to even raise that, my lord. I'm not so sure whether it is just proper for the court to function without any court orderlies. And in circumstances where they've not even requested to be excused, my lord. I don't know where they are, my lord, but they are supposed to be there.
Well, Malagas, it's almost tea time. Or time for the short adjournment. Let's take the short adjournment and we'll be back to that.